Welcome to Kay's Kitchen. We about to do some cooking, and we gonna do some chit chatting too. So hold that thought. Anyway, this world is just man, it's in flames right now, more ways than one. Humans been destroying the planet for years, and now they getting their retribution. Well, at least the planet is. That's why I've been saying for years, get your soul prepared for this stuff, because it's like I could feel it, but I couldn't see it. You know, you would have people like, dang, why I don't feel or see what you feel like? Cause my spirit in the right place. You gotta get yours right. I'm telling you. The more you know, the more you grow. And I'm still learning too. So don't get it twisted. I ain't got all of this shit figured out, but I know what I need to know. I know that much. Y'all gotta be doing the same thing. You gotta know what you need to know. It ain't about who you know, it's about what you know now. Back in the day, it used to be who you knew. As long as you knew the right people, you was all good. Now, forget about it. You gotta say the right thing. You know, in order for people to respect you. We're getting back to the basis of how the planet was all derived. You know? That's what it's about. Learning how to be amongst so many different people and species, and learning how to coexist. You know? That's why people used to have them coexist stickers. They used to have all the religions in that word. I used to think that was so dope. Even though I don't believe in religion, I believe in spirituality. Because I feel like if you ain't one in your spirit, then how can you claim a religion anyway? You gotta know who you are and what you feeling before you allow somebody else to tell you that. Other than that, you just being programmed. And we don't need no more of that. We need more people to rise up into their power and know what they saying and know what they talking about. And stop beating around the bush because you got an image to uphold. Images ain't real, boo. We can alter, change images. The spirit is what it is. You can't alter or change that. you can make it better, but you can't alter it, baby. Some stuff you just can't change. Yeah, I ain't doing nothing but making some chicken bites, some rally fries. I'm making my own chicken bite box, rally style. That's what I'm doing. I cut up the little chicken tenders into little pieces, little, you know, poppable pieces. I season them up, salt, pepper, garlic powder, a little bit of slap your mama. Little chicken tenders into little pieces, little, you know, poppable pieces. I season them up, salt, pepper, garlic powder, a little bit of slap your mama, floured it on up, threw it in some hot peanut oil, and I was frying, and honey, yes. And we put the rally fries in the oven. We're not gonna fry those. We're just gonna put them in the oven because they already been fried and they was frozen. So we're not gonna refry the fries. We're just gonna put them in the oven and let them get nice and crispy on their own. And then we gonna move on like that. So yeah, I went to the store today. This is a really good snack.